Hey Lafayette Lions, it's Mr. Nichols, and I'm here to quickly introduce what you're going to be working on this week in science. You're going to be doing a project where you research information on an endangered animal that lives right here in Virginia. You're going to choose between the flying squirrel and the bog turtle, and you're going to use the information given and recreate its habitat. Now you can recreate that habitat using a poster or PowerPoint, diorama, paint, whatever you choose, but you need to make sure that you include the animals and the plants that live in that habitat. You'll have all week to work on it, so during your modules, you'll use that time to create that poster or diorama, whatever you choose, to create that habitat. Once you complete creating the habitat, you're then going to present it to your teacher and include all the information that you learned about. Make sure that you have fun while you're doing this. Okay? You get to choose how you want to present it. So have fun doing that. If you have questions, make sure that you reach out to your teachers. Okay, we're here to help. So if you have questions, please reach out to us. And last, make sure that you have a blast becoming experts on the animal that you choose.